In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Lazada delivery address. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app and how to update or add a delivery location so your orders arrive at the right place every time. Start by opening the Lazada app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you have a stable internet connection. If the app looks different from what you remember, it may have been updated, but the options you need are still in the same general area. From the home screen, tap the Account tab. You'll usually find it at the bottom right, and it takes you to your personal area where all your profile and order settings live. This is where Lazada keeps anything related to your identity, preferences, and addresses, so it's the perfect place to make delivery changes. Inside your account, look for Settings. It's typically represented by a small gear icon. Tapping this opens a simple menu designed for adjustments you don't make every day, including your address details. Next, choose Address Book. Think of this as your personal list of delivery locations. Whether you want your orders to go to your home, office, or a friend's place, this is where those addresses are stored and managed. If you need to send packages somewhere new, you can add a new address. Enter the recipient's name, a reachable phone number, and the full street address with house or unit number, city, and postal code. If the app offers a map pin, drop it as close as possible to the exact spot where couriers should deliver. Use the label or nickname field to tag it clearly, something like home or office, so it's easy to recognize later. Double-check spellings and numbers to avoid delivery delays, and keep any special instructions short and clear in the landmark or notes field. To change your delivery address, open the address you want to update in the address book and revise the details. Or simply rely on the new address you added. Look for a Save or Confirm button to make sure your changes stick. If there's an option to set an address as your default, enabling it helps Lazada use that address automatically for future orders, which can save time at checkout. That's it. You've opened the app, gone to your account, used settings to access the address book, added a new address if needed, and changed your delivery address. Take a moment to review what you entered, and you'll be ready for your next order with confidence.